Tanong lang, success nga ba yan o stress lang na maganda ang packaging? Dati, akala ko, success is about income, title, recognition. Pero, bakit parang kulang pa rin? Kasi, hindi lahat ng umaasenso, payapa, at hindi lahat ng busy, aligned. I had to redefine success when I started seeing real change. Sa isip ko, sa puso ko, sa kalusugan ko, sa purpose ko, at syempre, sa negosyo ko. Success isn't just about reaching a goal. It's becoming whole. It's being transformed from inside out and knowing that what you're building is in line with what God designed you to do. Kaya ngayon, stop chasing success that looks good
Success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh.
but feels empty. Comment real success kung gusto mong magtagumpay ng buo ng hindi lang sa kita, kundi sa katahimikan, kalusugan, at sa calling mo. This is Visa Bulao, aka Eagle V. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!